When you first launch FreeCAD, a window will appear where you can set basic settings. Here you can choose the language of FreeCAD, the unit system, and the navigation style. Regarding the unit system, select the units you use. I am using the standard unit system here. As for the navigation style, here we define the way we will navigate in FreeCAD. I use the Blender navigation style because it is the most comfortable for me. We can change the navigation style at any time. There is also the option to change the navigation style. If you hover over this spot and hold the cursor there, a tooltip will appear explaining how navigation works with the selected style. Next, we can specify the theme. We have the option of a light theme and a dark theme, but we also have a third theme for FreeCAD, the classic theme, which we can select in the preferences. I have chosen the classic theme and I use this theme. This also comes from habits, and this theme suits me best. But if another theme suits you better, you can use that one, because FreeCAD works the same regardless of the theme. There may be minor differences in the arrangement of icons, but that is also not a problem, since we can change that. If you want to change the arrangement of the icons, just grab the dots and drag the icon bar to the appropriate place. We will go over this in other videos. Now, let's move on to the preferences. Here we have a menu bar. If you're working on Windows, select Edit Preferences, and if you're on a Mac, click the FreeCAD menu and select Preferences here. In this place, we define the program Preferences. We can choose the classic theme. As for the program preferences, let's go to the Display and Colors tab. Here we can set the background color. In the classic theme, I have set a linear gradient, which is responsible for the background gradient of the workspace area. Another important place regarding colors is the Sketcher and Appearance tab. Here we set the colors of the lines. If it turns out that during sketching a line is poorly visible or the color of that line doesn't suit you, you can change the color of that line here. I will leave the settings as they are. This is the first thing you should see after launching FreeCAD.